kama simu naandika TikTok hani scrolling nareba video
omwishimulungi video yawe twagireba webale kutugamberera nkomunyeto mutayi witu wagamba ebintu bingi mbwenu wagamba bushashi enjeri wagamba mubusha mbwenu wagamba nkabusha wagamba nkabusha mbwenu wagamba busha wagamba maranga wagamba mazi ndikangambere wagira ngu manya twaturya heru manya tukabasa kuikiriza manya kuzo mu politics zezinsi ziturumu manya abantu abali Saudi Arabia manya abantu abali Canada nkahi ngu manya oti government zabo ziri strict munonga manya government zabo tizo ziri strict munonga amateka gali strict munonga point of correction madam amateka gabo gali strict munonga and amateka gabo they protect the citizens of their country not you foreigners. But I want you woman ozo muri Uganda foreigners first citizen last. That is the system we have in Uganda. Foreigners first citizens last. Uganda tuino businje nitubasa kole tukwenda abanya Uganda tibakwenda kora yabare mama yabaro mu cyumurungi yabare abanya Uganda tukwenda kora tukwenda kora. That's why ntuzombi ntunkebyo tubanze twayekolerera. Do you know that 50% of the youth graduating every year they don't have jobs? Not even 50%. 70% of the youth are graduating per year they don't have jobs. Do you know that? Or you are just here talking rubbish? Do you know that in Uganda, jobs in government, they only given for the people from one region, like you. Nkiwe no basa kufuna umurimo muri Uganda, by the way no basa kuboine na connections. Because you speak like them, because you look like them, and you are here talking rubbish. Ngwaba nyeto tukwenda kora, ngumanya nyenye. Shut up your mouth, you. You don't know anything. Do you know the injustice in Uganda? Do you know the injustice in education system in Uganda? Do you know the injustice in working in Uganda? Aminyeto neshoma tibine na mirumu. Government eremirwe kubatera he mirumu. Nabagira ngo barondo busente bageza aloni batandike ho bulimu. Government ne bataho high taxation of payment of taxes. And you are here no gamba busha, wena no gamba nkata karire, wena no gamba weno sinikiro bwina higuru, garuko mbintu byawe byo kubulirira abakazi garuko mu mirimo yawe yo bwasenga kugambira biki batayi bawe konke bibirugemu. Uryaforebire ki mukazi? Uryaforebire kiwe? Uryaforebire ki? No manyo butari bwinganizo buri mu oburyo mu ihanga ryitu. Ngu government za kuno yaitwangalia manyo mahanga gahera bali Saudi ziri strict munonga aho kubani ba protecting their citizens anda matekaga mbona enda kungira ngo muihanga lyo kwangalira munirisha na Uganda. You go in Uganda and see how Uganda looks, the dirtiness of Uganda. You just go there and see children on the streets without no food. So you mean in those countries you living in now, nibibe sente zo muhiwo mushoronka Uganda? You think ngukunu yitukutura ngo abantu abakwebembera mahangaga nibibe sente zo muhiwo mushoro nko mu Uganda nko kuba kuziba? Aga mahanga go kwangalira munyabi wali yona agamba busha no basa kuzo marwariro gabo obure kushanga yo mbazo shanga abantu banyamira hansa hitaka batine litanda. No yenda kungambira ngo okweyo kuhangalira abantu nibabita broad daylight streets nibabita babatera masasi. Just shut up you girl. Kandi mami we tole muhima no basa kubodi no munyarwanda kazi toli na muhimiwe no basa kubodi munyarwanda wenyini akuba no shana nabo o in a connection no mu government. You have money, you can enjoy the life, and you are here talking rubbish. Just shut up your mouth, you idiot. And ogaha when are you pretending as the innocent one? Agama hanga gitukangara manya politics zabo manya toka kwatana agama hanga go kwangara muno kushango muntu agwira ari accident kiri rare because they have good lords. You idiot, if you cannot understand that. And you are here talking rubbish as if you are talking sense, but you are talking rubbish, total rubbish. You see the governance in Uganda. Just watch the governance. Just watch the government, how they steal taxpayers' money. Just see how the citizens are suffering just out of their land. Omuntu nowe yakujja nkanzo mu kyalo nze kuhinga itaka baale mubinga. Baadye babalitwala. Abantu ni basiba ni baboroga nente zaabo ti amataka ni bagiba. The impunity in Uganda. Abantu ni babita. So noenda kunjira ngo mahanga go kuhangada magaga hera ga yono tugambira na nyendya hero. Wacha tegereza ebintu ebakora engeri protecting amazera citizens engeri ebakuyamba mu business people in those countries nizishana na za Uganda. Abana ni bashoma tibine mirumo enshoma nimbi school fees zigahiguru nobu wakumara kushoma to ine sente nobu wakugira ngo koze kuyiya yiyo busente utandika haka business ni bakutaho omushoro nyamwingi omushoro tigwagire kigwakora timu mibazo mu marwariro nguzazayo timu handa ngo mirungi bahagikora tichi mwenu tijine kibatukolire hatolya ha government manya muzekora murya munywe muhage kumurahese kuhaga muyeyesi mu mutandike kukore buvuyo no who akora kavuyo you people. Why are you talking rubbish? Habwenki wo higusi nozo mbantu binenjara ukatandika kubagambira mbusha kubatanakira. Just shut up. I have watched your video but I wanted to vomit because you are talking rubbish. Agama hanga go kuhangaliramu ni nyendonga ambire, can a citizen work for you, a foreigner? Kunkano manyangu, Ugandans are suffering. They are working for foreigners for cheapest money, cheapest salaries. Government kanga no kurabya iteka minimum wage to help the youth. And you are here talking rubbish as if you are talking sense. Ebyo butegetsi bya Uganda biwano oleba ngo nibigenda je keep quiet, just eat your money, enjoy, do your nonsense on TikTok, but don't talk rubbish. We are not going to tolerate you, madam. Just because you have connection in government, maybe you have your father in government, maybe you have your family member in government, they eat taxpayers' money, you are like them, you can go even there and give you job. But the jobs are given from one region, are being given for you. Anyone who is not in your region cannot get a job in Uganda, in government of Uganda. Government yanjire kutera eminyeto emirumu. Abantu bona baliyo nibirukangani bazo mu mahanga gaheru noenda kunjira ngo emihanda yori yo noraba mu mahanga gagoru muneshana ne ya Uganda. Noenda kunjira ngo education system ya mahanga ago neshana ne ya Uganda. Noenda kunjira ngo security ya mahanga ago wararebire omuntu wena kwisembunda amuhanda mu mahanga gago kuhangaramu. Za Uganda leba abantu nibabatera masasi broad daylight streets. Orya hano gamba busha wena no tanaka wena no gamba wena oli kuleba mugumwene byo yono gamba na magezi kumbo yono gamba kasasiro amaranga genyine hunamera orya forebire kiwe orya forebire kinyabu. Just shut your mouth up, shut up you. Deka kwato busasi bw'abantu katandika gambira mbusha. Do you know how people are suffering in Uganda, or you are just here talking rubbish? Maybe you are among them eating taxpayers' money and leave Ugandans to die in poverty and hunger. Do you think that Ugandans are lazy? Ugandans are so hardworking, but the government is milking the population which they cannot even provide for. And you are here talking rubbish. Eminyeto, mazekora kakoromazi.